Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Gwan Shores. We're just leaving. What is this? Monkey Beach? So yeah, we're just leaving this and we're gonna go up the strip quickly and we're going to my favourite bar. So let's have a little look, see which one's my favourite, eh? So yeah, we just left Monkey Beach. We're gonna walk up the strip. Have a little look. See it's only busy now. It's 11 o'clock at night.
Just coming up for 20 past 11.
So 20 past 11. We're going to go to my favourite car, so might be a little bit of a longer walk. But yeah, we're going straight up. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video.
Bell, everything in between.
Oh, she's cutting into my vlog, so ignore her. Ring the bell, please, yeah. And yeah, do what you gotta do. This club here, sorry, hold on. So this club here, as soon as it opens, everyone goes in there. So if you think the nightlife is dead, it's because everybody is there. Everybody comes there, don't they? Soon as everyone comes at the bars, they all come to your club. So that's why we did a video at 2 a.m. and everyone said, oh, looking dead. I said, everyone is in here. That's why. Yeah? For free?
I'll give you 300.
Yeah? Thank you, yeah? It's our last night, yeah? Thank you. I'll see you later on, yeah? There we go, guys. The other night we couldn't even get in for free. Tonight we got in for free, eh? So let's have a little look later on at Mix. But it's got Jamaica bar on the left, and you've got the oh no, this one is Jimmy's bar. So yeah, everyone's all heading down. So yeah. A lot of families out still at the moment. Sabrina keeps trying to grab my hand. I tell her, get off me. I'm busy working. Yeah, 11:30 at the moment, and I find it was our last night. I don't think everyone knows it's our last night, but we've been up and down here quite a few times now in our little adventures, and everyone wants us to come in tonight. So why not? Why not go in? They're giving us a free drink. Why not? So Bondi. Vibes is looking all nice tonight. Mambo, we're in Mambo right now. Climax, you see that video? But we're getting the video back on track. We're getting down to where I said. I don't know what he was trying to do. Right, smells lovely. When you get to this end, it smells really good because you've got the old takeaway right here. It smells lovely.
So much food in our fridge.
Yeah, but it smells so good. And it's just the meat. I'm not even a meat eater. But the meat smells lovely. I'm not against meat eaters. Eat anything you want to do. Eat everything you want to eat. I just can't eat it anymore. Right, so let's get up this road.
Because it looks 3:12 o'clock.
So as you can see, it's really busy. It's not dead. Faliraki is not dead.
And that's early.
It's just because everyone goes to Mix and DC, I think it's called. As soon as it opens, they open, everyone heads in there. So nobody's really about after that. So 2 a.m.
People are still finishing food.
So 2 a.m. everybody is inside the clubs. Nobody's on Bar Street walking up and down because the bars are closing down. So yeah, it's not maybe like it was in the 90s. But let's cross over. Let's get onto the busy side. Oh, I didn't even look behind me. Just stepped into the road. Stepped into the road without even worrying. But yeah. Right, so we tried getting in here. I don't know if I put it on the vlog. Might see it on the vlog, but I'm only going into these clubs if I'm coming in for free. I'm not paying to come in, so if they want us in, they want us in. If not, but it's not even open yet, so we're not going in. Anyway, we're going to mix as it looks like tonight, so we're going to see what our mix Gwan's saying.
Hello.
Evening.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, man. You?
Yeah, I'm really good, thank you. Not film the girls.
We might have to go further, go on to like George's Bar and down, then go back to our bar.
Hey, we're going up there, so we're gonna go to our favourite outside bar, outside.
Yeah, we just passed the strip joint, that's lively.
Yep.
Another one across the road.
There's always just... Wow, he went up that road fast. He just wanted to get out the road, I guess, didn't he? Here's the old knockoff shop over here. Looks really good.
Right here tonight.
Yeah, but as we said before, everyone at the moment is down Bar Street, so I think there's a little bit of a time. Bar Street's busy at a certain time, and then Bar Street becomes less busy because everyone's gone to Mix and DC or in the strip bars. But that's around about 1, 2. At the moment, it's only just gone 11:30, so everybody is out enjoying their night still. Oh look, he's going to play the game. I ain't seen anyone play this. I've seen this on telly, but I've never seen some person play it. Go on. Oh. Hey. Very good. He got one. But yeah. Let's go and see our boy. Again, always busy, this little bar. Always very busy, this bar. Baroque. Always nice and busy. Oh, lovely lad treating his missus. Sap. What a sap. What a sap.
Went home.
He's obviously got a small penis. You got to make up for it in other ways when you got a small one. But us big boys, we don't have to do stuff like that. Because we can satisfy them without clothes. Anyway. Let's move on. So, we're coming up to it. Ah boy. Again, very good little bar.
Nice.
Really nice bar. DJ on.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm coming to see the DJ. He wants me to come in. So let's go and see him. Let's come and see him. Here he is. Here's a good man.
Welcome to Faliraki. Welcome to Rhodes. Welcome to La Esquina.
Good man.
I remember you from the beach bar.
Yeah, exactly, the other night. Good man. No problem, yeah? Have a good evening. So yeah, the bar's always busy. Always good and busy. I have to keep talking. I have no idea what to talk about, but music's playing, so I'll keep talking. Thank you.
Right, so
Oh.
we're just going to film it up and then we'll come back.
No.
We need to film.
No, you got stop it. I know Sabrina's talking a lot of rubbish. She can walk off with her camera all she wants to do. She's a vlogger on her own. But we're going to go see our boy. That's what I said I'm going to do. I'm here. Here's all the boys tonight. Boys, how's it going, boys? Hey! Hello, Baba. You alright?
How are you? Yeah, I'm good.
My friend. Good man. Good to see you. Ah, that's good man. Billy? Yay! Good man. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Yeah, same here.
Hey, Thailand?
I was going to see my friend.
Go on.
I only smoke when I need to. And when I need to get some rest,
Thailand? Good man.
Welcome to Big Boy.
Yes.
way to the refrigerator. One dry potato inside.
Oh, you done good, done good. You done good. Good boy. Hello, hello. How are you, darling? Good. Good evening, girls. How are you? You okay? Good, good. Good evening, guys. You alright? Everyone's having fun as normal. It's for the best bar. Come outside, have a good fun. That's where our Beach Boys. Let's go and see what everyone up to. It's on the street. Everyone on the street, let's see what they're up to.
Go official, hang on a minute, Doc. There, that's better. Now let's see. Airlock, contact. That should be...